Every process begins where nature and precision first meet.
Only fruit at peak maturity moves forward. Harvest demands speed without sacrifice. Human judgment guides every early decision.
Movement begins the journey. Quality is filtered from the very start. Consistency begins with measurement. Harvest volume meets industrial rhythm. Timing is everything in fresh production. Temperature control starts immediately. The link between field and factory arrives. Precision protects freshness. The cold chain locks quality in.
Nothing moves without confirmation.
Harvest transitions into logistics.
Distance is short, standards are high.
The production ecosystem comes into view.
Raw harvest now enters the industrial world.
Transport preserves what harvest achieved.
Arrival is synchronized to the second.
The cold chain remains unbroken.
Every gap is a risk, carefully closed.
Freshness is confirmed before a single crate moves.
Handling must be firm, never rough. The factory officially takes custody. Movement replaces distance. Traceability begins at the door. Bulk becomes flow. Direction is carefully controlled.
Problems are caught early.
Standards never bend. The heart of the factory draws closer.
Even moisture is managed. Flow is balanced, never rushed.
Systems speak without words. Transport gives way to transformation. This is where agriculture meets industry.
Scale demands coordination.
Clean environments begin at the threshold.
The factory breathes as one system.
Human discipline supports machine precision. Cleanliness is engineered into the ground.
Infrastructure hides in plain sight.
Every second is calibrated.
Order prepares for cleaning.
Visibility ensures control. Nothing enters unseen.
Oversight is constant.
Hard surfaces tell working stories.
Preparation ends. Cleansing begins.
Standards are always visible. Surface care starts gently.
Everything is in place.
The journey moves from outside to within.
Cleaning removes the field from the fruit.
Force is balanced with care.
Nothing is left untouched.
Waste is separated instantly. Cleanliness is confirmed in motion.
Purity reveals itself.
Light exposes every detail.
Human eyes still matter.
Machines confirm what humans see. Decisions happen instantly.
Only the best continue.
Nothing is wasted. Uniformity is refined.
Order prepares for precision.
Drying prevents compromise. Confidence moves the line forward. Cleaning ends. Processing begins. The transformation is about to start. Precision replaces randomness. Machines prepare for the first incision. Accuracy protects what matters inside. The fruit reveals its core. Freshness is unmistakable. Efficiency respects the harvest. Byproducts find their own path. Preparation is subtle but essential. Unwanted elements are removed. Quality is verified again. Uniformity shapes efficiency. Consistency is enforced.
Nothing escapes refinement.
Volume meets control.
Volume meets control.
Destinations begin to diverge. One fruit, many outcomes.
Transformation intensifies.
The core process is complete.
Liquid potential is gathered. Clarity begins here. Flavor is engineered. Safety without compromise. Every second matters. Freshness is locked back in. Texture takes shape.
Balance defines indulgence.
Complexity is deliberate. Uniformity is perfected.
Transformation finds direction.
Cold reshapes the liquid. Smoothness is protected. Dessert form appears. Shape adds appeal. Function meets familiarity.
Automation now takes control of watermelon precision.
Even frozen watermelon requires gentle handling.
Machines recognize watermelon perfection. Standards stay uncompromised. Efficiency scales watermelon production. Flavor layers are prepared. Watermelon appeal is enhanced.
Nothing is wasted.
Finish is locked in place.
Texture is verified automatically. Identity travels with every piece.
Order increases speed.
Accuracy defines scale. Automation keeps rhythm. Complexity becomes simplicity. Technology confirms readiness. Automation hands over to perfection.
Watermelon automation is complete.
Precision begins where speed slows. Details define quality. Finish speaks before taste.
Human skill completes the machine's work.
Uniformity earns trust. Function must feel natural. Imperfections are caught early.
Standards never pause.
Stability protects structure. Order prepares for protection.
Confidence is confirmed.
Protection is introduced. Freshness is sealed visually. Nothing unnecessary remains. Closure is precise.
Security is verified.
Finishing gives way to identification.
Precision finishing is complete.
Quality is tested, not assumed.
Every watermelon batch is traceable.
Consistency protects trust. Protection must endure handling.
Temperature confirms safety.
Purity is verified.
Sampling protects the whole. Science joins the process.
Texture defines experience.
Balance is measured. Balance is measured.
Safety is non-negotiable.
Science gives the green light.
Only approved products move on.
Accountability is recorded.
Confidence is restored.
The cold chain holds.
Watermelon quality is fully assured.
Protection now becomes presentation.
Packaging begins with structure.
Speed meets precision.
Accuracy is never optional.
Every box is secured.
Identity travels with the product.
Human judgment closes the loop. Volume becomes order.
Stability is guaranteed.
Freshness waits in silence.
Supply stands ready.
Timing drives delivery. The journey continues. Care extends beyond the factory. Freshness is sealed once more.
Distribution begins.
And this is how modern factories produce watermelon desserts from start to finish.
Inside every watermelon, there is a journey.